Welcome to Part 4 of Colors Vocabulary. 31. Violet. Meaning, a bluish-purple color. Example. She is wearing a violet dress. Synonyms, purple, lavender. 32. Indigo. Meaning, a deep blue-purple color. Example. The sky turned indigo at sunset. Synonyms, deep blue. Antonyms, light blue. 33. Crimson. Meaning, a deep rich red color. Example. The leaves turned crimson in autumn. Synonyms, dark red. Antonyms, pale pink. 34. Scarlet. Meaning, a bright red color. Example. She wore a scarlet coat. Synonyms, bright red. Antonyms, pale. 35. Olive. Meaning, a dark yellowish-green color. Example. His jacket is olive green. Synonyms, olive green. Antonyms, bright green. 36. Turquoise. Meaning, a bright blue-green color. Example. The sea looks turquoise today. Synonyms, blue-green, aqua. Antonyms, brown. 37. Cyan. Meaning, a bright greenish-blue color. Example. The logo is printed in cyan. Synonyms, aqua, blue-green. Antonyms, red. 38. Maroon. Meaning, a dark brownish-red color. Example. He bought a maroon backpack. Synonyms, burgundy, dark red. Antonyms, light pink. 39. Lavender. Meaning, a light purple color. Example. The bedroom walls are lavender. Synonyms, light violet. Antonyms, dark purple. 40. Peach. Meaning, a soft color between pink and orange. Example. She painted the room peach. Synonyms, peach pink, light orange. Antonyms, dark brown. Subscribe for Part 5. Continue learning English with AVETRA EDU.